So here's how to get free clothes on Shein. Before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Shein for free. So first up, we will open the Shein application. If you don't already have the app, you can also download it from my link. So as you can see, we're now in the Shein app. Once you're here, cancel all of these pop-ups, and then if you look over to the bottom right corner, you will see an option that says Me. You need to go ahead and tap on it. So once you're here on this page, you will get to see an option under My Orders that says Free Trial Center. Tap on it. And as you can see, we're now in the Free Trial Center. Here, if you scroll through, you will see all the items says Free Trial. So go through the items and select one according to your liking. After that, check out the item. If you like it, go back and tap on the Free Trial option. Now, you need to log in to your account. You can choose from any of these options to log in. I will select Google for now. After that, select your Google account and tap on Continue. Then, tap on Agree. And as you can see, the registration has been successful. Now, once you're back in the product page, you need to select a size for your item. Then tap on Next and fill in all the information necessary. Here, make sure to put in the correct name, location, and address. This way, just follow through with the procedure. And that is exactly how to get free clothes on Shein.